Okay. So can you tell me that what are the two things and what I have drawn on my right hand side? What is that thing called?
Array.
Okay, what is array?
Array is like a list of values.
Very good. Array is a data structure. Write it down in your notebook. Array is a data structure. It is the
Okay.
representation of a data in a tabular form. Array is a data structure. Array is a data structure. Look, I'm writing. It represents data in a tabular form. So a table can be a one column or a two column. So it is in 1D array, that's called 1D array or 2D array. 1D means one column or 2D means multiple columns or rows. 2D arrays. Understand?
Yeah.
That's great. Okay. How do it works? Can you tell me how do it works?
Okay. So what happens first? What it does, it looks at all the values in the list,
Mhm.
and then it has to check.
Very good.
It has to check each and every value in the list, and will match it with the.
Excellent. With our search. If our search
Yeah.
is found, it means the value is true. Found assigns true. And if it is not found, it is still false, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. What is if then else in this program? Why we use if then else?
If then else is used, so the it's like if
Mhm.
the value is this, then like find it, or else check again, kind of like that.
Excellent. Excellent. I have no words for you. So amazing. Once again, you are amazing. As usual, amazing. Okay, so we are going to continue another type of a search. This search is called bubble sort. What we call it? Bubble sort. Let's see. Lists can be more useful if the items are sorted in a meaningful order. What is the meaning of sorting?
It's like putting everything along with its like
Mhm.
similarity.
Okay, okay. I'm drawing an array. Again, I'm drawing an array with a 1D array. 1D means one column, one dimension, okay? Okay, so 1D array is here. Okay, this time I'm taking a names. What is the name of our array? Names. What is the name of our array? Names.
Names. Okay.
Below we have Cindy. Okay, on one we have Ali. On two we have Eva. On three we have Denver. I'm using Danny. It is short. On five we have Franklin. It is big name, Franklin. Okay, on fifth we have Hannah. On six we have Jamie. How many total names we have?
6.
Count again.
7.
Excellent. How many names we have? 7 names.
7.
What do you think? Are these names in ascending order?
No.
That is the question. That is called sorting. Sorting means the names, the numbers are assigned, are aligned in an alphabetical form, right?
Yeah.
In alphabetical form, like this, 10 to 1, 1 to 10. This thing is called sorting. So this is ascending, this is ascending, this is descending,
Oh,
this is descending. Do you understand it or not?
yes, I do.
So our names are not in ascending order. For this reason, we are going to apply bubble sort. What we are going to apply?
Okay.
Bubble sort.
Bubble sort.
For example, names could be sorted in alphabetical order. Temperatures could be sorted in ascending order. So this method of sorting is called bubble sort. Each element is compared with the next element and swapped. If the elements are in the wrong order. Can you explain me what is the meaning of this?
So I think if for example if Cindy and Ali are there, it checks if it's in the ascending order, or then it just switches it
Excellent.
to A going up and C going.
Very good. I don't understand how things are easy for you. Like these topics are very, very difficult. And you are taking it as a piece of a cake. That's very amazing. I'm amazed. So maybe I'm teaching you very well. Why don't you give me the credit? Maybe possible. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, so you are absolutely correct. Cindy and Ali. These are the two names. Cindy lies on 0, LA lies on 1. And these names are not in order. So we wanted to order them. So we are going to compare. Of course, LA comes first. Cindy comes later. This means we need to swap them. What we need? We need to swap them if the elements are in wrong order. Starting from the first element, finishing with the next to last element. Next to last. What is the meaning of this? Next to last. Listen to me very carefully. Look, these two names are gonna be swapped. Are you agreed with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Then these two names are compared and then swapped, whatever the values are. Then these two names are gonna be swapped. Then these two names are gonna be swapped. Now listen, these two names are gonna be swapped. What is the last swapping done? On which position? The last swapping done on which position?
Fifth.
Fifth. This is called last. Next to last. It means 6 is the last. But on 6, we are not going to compare anything. You are not going to swap anything. Why? Can you tell me why? Why we are not going to swap the last one?
Because there's no seventh array.
Excellent. So what is the meaning of next to last? It means last is 6, last minus 1. Last minus 1. What is the meaning of this? Last minus 1. This means 5. So the last swapping is done between these two. Okay. This is the thing.
Okay.
Fine. So once it reaches the end of the list, we can be sure that the last element is now in the correct place. So once the swapping is done, we are sure that every element sits in a correct order.
Okay.
And if it is not, then what happened? See, however, other elements in the list may still out of order. Each element in the list is compared again, apart from the last one, because we know final element is in the
I'm confused. I'm confused about this part. Can you explain it again?
Yes, yes, I will clear this in example. I'm just explaining you the paragraph. What happened? That, see, if you have done all the swapping till last, till 5 and 6, but if still any element is still in wrong order, so we need to apply bubble sort again. And this continues until there is only one element left to check or no swaps are made. So we need to reach here. If we reach here and we find the element is in a correct order, then our program will be terminated. Else, our program will continue the swapping. Of course, if you're reached to the last element, there is no more element. Can you swap it? Of course not. Let's do an example and understand how it works. Okay. Now, listen to me very carefully. For example, the bubble sort algorithms can be used to sort a list of what? 10 temperatures stored in an array. What is the name of an array? Temperature. Right here, what is the name of an array?
Temperature.
And what about this array? Names.
Names, yeah.
Okay. Here, the example is different. They have given an example of how many temperatures?
10.
Read the objective. How many temperatures?
Yeah.
You can see here. Look, read it.
Yeah, 10.
10 temperatures. What we have to do? Into which order? Into which order we need to align them?
We have to do it in the order, ascending order.
Ascending order, right. We need to align them into ascending order. So I'm going to give you an array first, because without drawing an array, you are unable to understand the topic. So I'm going to give you an arrays. There we go. First, I need to draw an array, right? Okay. Okay, this is our array. Okay, what is the name of array? What is the name of our array?
Temperature.
Temperature. So I need to mention it. Temperature. Look, I need to write down the temperature. Okay, temperature. That's it. Okay, then I'm going to use an array. Okay, so how many we need? 10. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to write 26, 23, 29, 28, 27, 37, 34, 42, and 40. Is it okay? These are the temperatures. This is the array, right? How many temperatures are there? 10. And how many I done? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I need to write down more. 45 and 43. These are the temperatures. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, I need to write down an index number. Do you remember I teach you about index number? What is index number?
The
numbering. Simple. You can say, sir, the numbering you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The numbering which is written, look, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are index numbers. So I need to write down the index number. It is mandatory. Index number is mandatory. So it depends upon the student. It starts from 0 or 1. Same thing is there. So I'm going to start from 0. See, 0. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5, 6,
6, 7, 8
Yeah.
and 9. Okay, tell me, what is the first value? They have written 1. They have written 1 and 10. But according to my array, I have written 0. So I'm going to change it. 0. And what is the last value? 9. So starting from here till here. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. What I have to apply here? I have to apply a loop. And what's the name of that loop? Repeat until. It means I'm going to apply a loop for the values. So the values keep comparing with each other. What? The values keep comparing with each other. And they are going to swap if the elements are in a wrong order. Did you understand this logic? Look, I'm making a box.
Yeah.
Right? So they are going to compare with each other. So repeat, start. Swap is false. We are on the first index, that's 26. So right now our swapping is false. Let's start. For index. So I'm going to apply a second loop. We have 2 loops here. One loop is repeat until, and the second loop is for next. How many loops we have? 2 loops. How many loops we have? 2 loops. One loop is repeat until. Look, I'm making a marking on it. See, repeat until. And the second loop is for next. What is the purpose of loop? I told you already. Loop iterates our data. Iteration means one after another. Look, let me tell you the concept. How many values we have right now? 5. So the working of loop means loop keep moving one after another like this. This is called loop. Until the condition becomes true. This is called loop. Loop means iterating. Are you getting it?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
What is loop? Loop means, hello? You are
Repeat.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
I think you have some problem. You want to drink some water? Anything?
Yeah, okay, I'll be right back.
Go. Go and get fresh. I'm waiting. Okay, so we are on the topic of bubble sort, and in bubble sort, we come to know the 2 values are going to be compared. Compare means they are going to be checked. Either are they in a proper ascending order or descending order or alphabetical order. So I have given you 2 examples right now. One for the names, alphabet, and one for the temperatures. We have 10 temperatures. Okay. And the swiping is 0 right now, false. Now I wanted to move one by one. I wanted to move one
One
by
by one.
Why? Because I wanted to compare every value with each other. So I'm using a loop for. Now for index, what is an index? What is an index value? I told you the numbering.
Index,
0.
yeah, index number is like from like 0.
0 till 9 are the index. Okay. For index, first to last. -1, first. What is first value? Tell me the first value. See up there. What is the first value?
The first value 0.
0. And what is last -1? First to last -1. What is the last -1 value?
9.
No, 9 is the last value. They are asking last -1.
8.
8. So the last swapping is till 8. It means the 8 and 9 will be swapped. This is a logic I have teach you up there. I hope now you understand. So the for loop is used to compare the value starting from 0 till 8. Because 9 is the last value. So there is no more number which is going to be compared with 9. Look, is there any number? So that is the reason we didn't pick 9. So first means 0 to last -1, 8. So this is the loop iteration, 0 till 8. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Now listen to me very carefully. We are using if. If temperature of index, what is the temperature of index? What is the value of index? What is the value of index?
Value of index 0.
Very good. Value of index is 0. And what is the temperature on 0?
26.
26. Is greater than temperature of index plus 1. So the value of index is 0. And value of index 0 plus 1. What will be the answer? 1.
1.
So what is the value of 1 here? Tell me. What is the temperature of 1?
23.
Yes. Do you understand? If temperature of index is 0, so temperature is 26, is greater than temperature of index plus 1. So index plus 1 means 0 plus 1, 1. So we are comparing 0, 26 to the value on 1. On 1, we have a temperature 23. So is that greater? Can you tell me? Is 0, temperature 26 is greater than temperature 23 on 1?
It's not greater than 26.
It's not greater than 23, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you said 26 is not greater than 23, right?
No, I said 23 is not greater than 26.
No. The condition is different. The condition is 26 is greater than 23. You have to tell yes or no.
Yes.
It is. So you can say, sir, 26 is greater than 23. If temperature of index 26 is greater than temperature of index next, means index plus 1, that is 23. Then what happened? Temp assigns the temperature of index. Now, listen, the computer is comparing both of these values. Comparing. Which one is greater?
26.
So the big value, that is 26, is gonna be stored in a variable. And the name of the variable is temp. What is the variable name? Temp. So look, 26 is erased. 26 is erased from the array. Look, because why? Why it is erased? It is stored where?
Okay.
It is stored in a temp. It is stored where? In a temp. I'm going to erase it. Okay, look, I have erased. 26 is gone. 26 is gone. Where it is? It is stored here in a temp. It is stored here in a temp. Look, I'm writing temp here. Temp. Temp means temporary. Temp means temporary. Temporary means a variable. So we declare a variable and 26 is stored here. Now look, 0 is vacant. The index 0 is vacant. It is empty, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, read the algorithm, please. Read this. Temperature of index. What is the temperature of index right now? It is 0. The 0. We are talking about index 0. So
Yeah.
the value of temperature index plus 1. Can you tell me what is the value of index temperature plus 1?
23.
23 is going to be assigned. Look, assigned where? In temperature of index. So it is going to be swapped up here. Assigning, storing here. So now it is also shifted. It is also gone. Look, 23 is gone. And 23 is assigned up there into the temperature of index. So temperature of index is 0 right now. So the temperature of index plus 1, 23 will be moved up there. So look, 1 is empty now. 1 is empty now. What we have to do? Read the next part.
28.
No, dear. 1 is empty. We have to fill one. Look, this location is empty. What we have to do?
Yeah. We fill it with 28.
No. Read the next instruction in algorithm.
Temperature of index
No.
plus 1 is
Yeah.
the temperature.
Not temperature. TEMP. It's not temperature. It is a temp. Temp is a variable. Can you tell me what is the value stored in temp?
Oh, 26.
26. So what is going on? Look, temp value, that is 26, is assigned where? Is assigning where? In temp plus 1. So temp plus 1 is here. So I write 26 here. Look, the swapping is done. This is how the swapping is done. So the value which is stored in temp is going to be stored on index plus 1 because we need to arrange them in order. So the temp is filled with 26. So the temp sends the value in index plus 1. So the index plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. On the position number 1, the box is empty. So we put 26 in that box. Now you see 23 and 26. Are they arranged now? Are they in ascending order?
Yes.
Perfectly fine. So can you tell me the swap is true or false?
True.
The swap is true. It means the swap is successful. And if, so we are going to complete our and if. Next index. Now the swapping is done between 26 and 28. Now tell me, is swap is possible? 26 and 28?
Uh,
Yes or no?
yes.
26 and 28. I don't
Oh,
think so.
no, it's not. It's
Fine.
28.
Leave it. Swap is not possible. Move. Next. 28 and 27. Is swap is possible? 28 and 27.
Not possible.
Is it possible or not possible?
It is possible.
Possible. Very good. Because 28 is bigger. 27 is smaller. So what happened? Tell me quick. 28 is a big value. What we have to do? We need to put 28 where? We need to put 28 in a temp value. So the 28 box is empty. The 28 box will be empty. Is that okay? The 28 box will be empty.
Okay.
Look, 28 is gone. Because 28 is stored where?